What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my kitchen. Listen, I know how it is. You're busy, work, life, family, it's nonstop. By the time dinner rolls around, you're totally exhausted, and the last thing you want to do is be stuck in the kitchen for an hour. That's why I'm here to hook you up with 10 of my absolute favorite slow cooker dinner recipes. We're talking super easy, crazy, delicious meals that practically cook themselves. Just throw everything in the pot in the morning, and by dinner time, you've got yourself a restaurant quality meal without all the fuss. Make sure you like and subscribe because this is going to be epic. First up, we're starting with a classic slow cooker chicken tacos. For this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a packet of taco seasoning, your favorite salsa, about a cup should do it, and some diced onions and peppers if you're feeling adventurous. Now just throw everything into your slow cooker, give it a good stir, and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or until the chicken is cooked through and shreds easily. Once it's ready, shred that chicken up and get ready for the best taco night ever. Pile that juicy chicken on some warm tortillas and top with all your favorite fixings. Lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, guacamole, you name it. The possibilities are endless and everyone can customize their own perfect taco. Next up, let's warm up with a hearty slow cooker beef stew. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of beef stew meat, some beef broth, a cup of chopped carrots, a cup of chopped potatoes, half a cup of chopped celery, and some onion. I like to use a whole one diced, but you do you. Season it up with some salt, pepper, and a bay leaf or two for extra flavor. Brown the beef in a pan before adding it to the slow cooker for a richer flavor. Then just toss everything into the slow cooker, give it a good stir, and cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. The meat will be fall apart tender and the veggies will be infused with all that savory goodness. Serve this up with a crusty piece of bread for dipping and get ready to be transported to comfort food heaven. Get ready for some finger-licking goodness with this slow cooker pulled pork. You'll need a 4 to 5 pound pork shoulder, your favorite BBQ sauce. I like to use about 2 cups, and a little apple cider vinegar for extra tang. Place the pork shoulder in the slow cooker and pour that BBQ sauce all over, making sure it's coated evenly. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar, put the lid on, and cook on low for 8 to 10 hours, or until the pork is tender and pulls apart easily. Once it's done, shred that pork up and get ready for some serious sandwich action. Pile it high on some toasted buns and add your favorite coleslaw and pickles for the ultimate pulled pork experience. This one's always a crowd pleaser. Chapter 4. Let's spice things up with this super simple slow cooker chili. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of kidney beans, a can of black beans, an onion, some bell peppers, and your favorite chili seasoning. Brown the ground beef in a pan with the diced onions and bell peppers until cooked through. Drain any excess grease. Now, toss everything into the slow cooker, give it a good stir, and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours. The flavors will meld together beautifully, creating a rich and hearty chili that will warm you up from the inside out. Top it with your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, sour cream, and fresh cilantro for the ultimate chili experience. Chapter 5. Yes, you heard that right. We're making slow cooker lasagna. This recipe is a game changer for busy weeknights. You'll need lasagna noodles, your favorite marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, ground beef, onion, garlic, and Italian seasoning. Brown the ground beef with the onion and garlic, then drain any excess grease. In a separate bowl, mix together the ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Italian seasoning. Now it's time to assemble our lasagna. Spread a layer of marinara sauce in the bottom of the slow cooker, then layer with lasagna noodles, the ricotta cheese mixture, and the meat sauce. Repeat layers until you reach the top. Cook on low for 4 to 6 hours or until the noodles are tender. Sprinkle with extra mozzarella cheese during the last 30 minutes of cooking. Chapter 6. Get ready for some creamy, dreamy slow cooker chicken Alfredo. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a jar of your favorite Alfredo sauce, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and Italian seasoning. Place the chicken breasts in the slow cooker and pour the Alfredo sauce over them. Add a splash of heavy cream, some grated Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, and a sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Cook on low for 4 to 6 hours or until the chicken is cooked through. Shred the chicken and stir it back into the sauce. Serve over your favorite pasta and garnish with fresh parsley for a restaurant-quality meal right at home. Chapter 7. Slow Cooker Pot Roast. All right, let's get cozy with this classic slow cooker pot roast. You'll need a 3 to 4 pound boneless chuck roast, beef broth, baby potatoes, carrots, onion, garlic, and your favorite herbs and spices. First, you'll want to sear the chuck roast in a pan before adding it to the slow cooker for a richer flavor. Once that's done, place the seared roast in the slow cooker and surround it with the baby potatoes, carrots, onion, and garlic. Next, pour in enough beef broth to cover the vegetables, then season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs like thyme and rosemary. Now all you have to do is cook on low for 8 to 10 hours or until the roast is fall apart tender. Enjoy your delicious, heartwarming meal. Chapter 8. Warm up with a comforting and nutritious slow cooker vegetable soup. You can use any vegetables you like, but I recommend a mix of carrots, celery, potatoes, onions, garlic, corn, peas, green beans, diced tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Chop all the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Place all the ingredients in the slow cooker, give it a good stir, and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or until the vegetables are tender. Season to taste with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. This soup is a great way to use up leftover vegetables, and it's packed with nutrients. Chapter 9. Get ready for some fall-off-the-bone slow cooker BBQ ribs. You'll need a rack of baby back ribs, your favorite BBQ sauce, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Remove the membrane from the back of the ribs. In a small bowl, whisk together the BBQ sauce, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Place the ribs in the slow cooker and pour the BBQ sauce mixture over them, making sure they're coated evenly. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or until the ribs are tender and pull apart easily. Chapter 10. Last but not least, let's indulge in some creamy slow cooker mac and cheese. You'll need elbow macaroni, milk, heavy cream cheddar cheese, butter, salt, and pepper. Cook the macaroni according to package directions, then drain and set aside. In the slow cooker, whisk together the milk, heavy cream, cheddar cheese, butter, salt, and pepper until smooth. Stir in the cooked macaroni until well combined. Cook on low for 2 to 3 hours or until heated through and bubbly. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Top with breadcrumbs and extra cheese for the ultimate comfort food experience. And there you have it, folks. 10 easy and delicious slow cooker dinner recipes that will save you time and energy on busy weeknights. From classic comfort food to family favorites, there's something here for everyone. So ditch the takeout menus and give these recipes a try. Your taste buds and your schedule will thank you. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments below which recipe you're most excited to try. Happy cooking!